This is the 2020 GMC Acadia SLT. And this Acadia comes in carbon black metallic on jet black perforated leather seats that are heated and cooled. Got a 3.6 liter V6, made it to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Got your 20-inch aluminum wheels. Sitting on Michelin tires. And there's that updated front end there. And this Acadia is equipped with a premium package, so that's why you get your heated, cooled leather seats. And you've got a few other features as well that we'll get into once we hop in the driver's seat. And with just that, you just pull at the bottom of the seat to move it back and forth. And there's your third row. I'm gonna scoot this all the way back. And with the seat all the way back in the second row, I still got room, being 6'3", to move comfortably. And this is how you fold the manual seats completely flat. You've got all that extra cargo space there. And there's your passenger seat. That's power along with power lumbar support. Got power door locks, power windows, power mirrors that are also power folding. And then you can see your blind spot monitor in there. And there's your memory seating. The power hatch controls at the front. And there's your Bose sound. Got a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel that you can adjust. There's your navigation system. There's your backup camera. Your forward vision camera. Your dual zone climate control. Then you've also got your push button transmission controls here. You can toggle your auto stop on and off, traction control, hazard lights, as well as parking sensors. And then you've got your heated and cooled seat buttons here, and you can control your driving mode. So you've got Tour, Snow, and Sport. You've got your cruise controls here, your steering wheel audio controls. There's your gauge cluster, push button start. And there's your key fob. And next we're going to take this Acadia out on the road for a quick test drive. Very smooth transmission. And brakes feel very good too. good throttle response. Acceleration is definitely decent. What you'd expect from a vehicle of this caliber. Shifts are very crisp. And that's my review of the 2020 GMC Acadia SLT.